Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm Ashley, for those of you new here, and I sell on eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, everywhere in between, and I share what I do with you so that you can maybe do it from home too. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 little boys, and I absolutely love what I do. It gives me the flexibility and the freedom to control my day, control my income, and that's something that I want to share with everyone out there who might need to earn some extra money. Before I jump into today's video, all about the most fast reselling brands that I have found recently that have sold really fast and for a lot of money, I wanted to let you guys know something exciting that I'm doing this new year. I have joined Tech in Sports and Daily Refinement in a reseller accountability group and coaching group. I start tomorrow, so you guys should definitely join. What I'll be doing and offering is a weekly Q&A coaching call. I'll be keeping track of all of your goals. I'll be following up with you, giving you all of my tips and tricks on how to list fast, be consistent, grow your eBay store or any reselling store that you have. The bonus is you get all of the content that Tech in Sports and Chris are offering with their multi-million-dollar stores. I do this part-time, they do this full-time. Tech in Sports especially has grown a multi-million-dollar eBay business by himself and listed over 100 items by himself every single day for years. He has such great tips. So again, the bonus is you get a private Facebook group, you get access to all of their weekly coaching calls, all of their podcasts, and you also get access to a 1-hour weekly coaching call with me, where again, we'll be keeping track of your goals. I'll be giving you all my tips and tricks, everything that I do, and you and I together will grow this year more than we ever have, and I'm so excited. So if anyone's interested in that, the link is down below. For anyone who joins the group, you do get my ebook for free when you sign up. So just a little incentive for you. I think it'll be so great, and the group that we already have is so awesome, so motivating, inspiring, and you just cannot help but grow when you're surrounded by really inspiring and cool people. So no pressure, of course. I will be offering all of my YouTube videos and content. I'll keep up with that throughout the year. But this is just an extra incentive for anyone who is maybe struggling or needs a little bit more guidance and hand-holding. I'm excited to finally have a means by which I can offer that to you guys. So, all right, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. I'm going to be talking about all of the brands that have sold for me really, really fast on eBay for a really good dollar amount. These are recent solds. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. This is the Lululemon Fleecy Keen jacket. It's full zip, has a removable hood. I just low-key wanted to keep this for myself. That's why I kind of priced it high, but it still sold relatively quickly within a month. I'm kind of surprised that it sold at this higher price, actually. I mean, I'm grateful, but I'm a little sad. But it sold for $174.99 plus $7 shipping. It is more rare. Their jackets with removable hoods are always really good sellers for me. I know if I had priced this a little bit lower, it probably would have sold a lot faster. Again, I was just being stubborn about the price, and I'm actually glad that I was, because it sold for a lot more than I originally had anticipated. This is the Kate Spade Maple Court Lindsay satchel, and it's got this scalloped edge. It's really cute and beautiful condition. I got this locally for just a few dollars, and it sold for $88 plus $7 shipping. I used some leather polish to just polish it up, took some really pretty pictures, and I think that helped sell it. Usually I'm all about getting pictures done as quickly as possible. When it's a little bit of a higher end item, I don't mind pulling out all of my resources to make it look as good as possible. So I hope the new owner absolutely loves it. Kate Spade can be a little hit or miss, but when there's a unique detail, something unique about it, like the scalloped trim here, or if it has like a really unique print on it, a unique pattern, it generally will sell a lot faster for me. So that's just something to keep in mind. This is a St. John size 14 blue like tweed full zip jacket. It has like a fringe hem on the side. This sold overnight for $65 plus $6 shipping. St. John can be a little hit or miss for me. The Santana knit stuff just does not sell as quickly as it once did, or for as much, at least for me in my experience. But their other styles, their tweed, anything that's a little bit larger, I'm finding sells a little faster and better. So this style of St. John sold really fast for me. I'll be definitely keeping my eyes peeled for it in the future. These are some UGG Sydney riding boots. They have a shearling lining. They are leather and suede, and they have like the buckles. Riding boots are definitely like not as in as they once were, maybe 5-6 years ago. But it'll still sell. I love selling Uggs. Uggs in general sell really fast for me, as long as I keep my prices decent. And these are no exception. I got these for just a few dollars, and they sold very quickly for $40 plus $10 shipping. This is a Scentsy letterboard style wax warmer, and I got this from a yard sale, but I didn't list it until just recently, till the holidays. it was in a bin that I forgot about. So I pulled that out and I got it listed before the holidays, and sure enough, it sold before Christmas, which was kind of my goal. I wanted it to be like maybe a Christmas gift or something. And it sold very fast for $50 plus $10 shipping. Scentsy sells great for me. I pick it up anytime I can find it for a decent price. It has to be the right price. The longtime viewers will know Scentsy has been really great for me and has sold really well. This is a Tumi large brown canvas bag. It's mostly canvas. I've picked up Tumi alpha leather bags in the past, so I was kind of curious to see if the canvas would sell slower. And this actually sold really quickly for $46 plus $10 shipping. Tumi is a great brand to look out for. It's easy to spot because it usually has some kind of tag or label on it that says Tumi on it, T-U-M-I. This was only $3 at a thrift store. So excited to find it. I always pick up Tumi whenever I see it. This is a Lauren Ralph Lauren crested blazer. This sold overnight for $55 plus $6 shipping. These are always a buy. Anytime you find a Ralph Lauren blazer with the crest on it or the embroidery on it with the label, it sells fast. So this sold, like I said, overnight really quickly, and it made me a great profit, and it does every single time. These are some Lululemon Ghost herringbone leggings. I did some research and figured out that they were rare and unique and hard to find, and that's why they sold really quickly for $75 plus $5 shipping. Usually the full-length leggings, if they're just standard, will get me around $50. So these got me a little bit more. They're really cute, and I love finding unique Lululemon pieces like this. So this was a great find. You guys know, I'm wearing it right now. I'm wearing one of my Lululemon finds right now. Like, I'm obsessed and I'm weird. These are some men's Ecco new in the box slip-on. They're called the Urban Slip-On Suede Shoe. Ecco does well for me sometimes, especially if it's the style, the comfort style. I was lucky enough to find these new in the box, and they sold really quickly. I want to say within a few days for $60 almost plus $10 shipping. Keep your eyes peeled for these kind of men's comfort shoes, because when I have this style in stock, it usually goes quickly. Ecco, I'm thinking Cole Haan has styles like this. Aldo has styles like this, so keep your eyes peeled and test it for yourself. I think it'll sell really quickly. This sold within a week. This is that Geiswein wool, like handmade, embroidered deep pile coat. Geiswein is a brand that I've only just discovered this year. The few times that I've found it, it's sold really fast. This especially has this really cool little embroidered felt people pattern on it, as you guys can see in the picture. And what was interesting is this came with no buttons. There were no buttons on this coat at all. So I had to sell it as is, and it still sold for $100 almost plus $6 shipping. So I'll take it. I will definitely be keeping my eyes peeled for unique things like this in the future. European handmade or hand knit, chunky knit type sweaters like this, even if they're vintage, especially if they're vintage, sell great. So keep your eyes peeled for this. These are some Nivea St. Moritz, Italy, super furry boots. They are huge. The picture does not do this justice. They were enormous, shaggy 70s vibes. I got these at an estate sale, and they sold for $120 plus $10 shipping. I thought they were way too funky and unique. I saw there's a website called firstdibs.com, and they sell really high-end stuff for a ton of money. I kind of wish I could sell on there because I have some really unique one-offs, but in order to sell on firstdibs.com, you have to like have 20 items at least that could sell on that website that are those kinds of one-offs, and I only have a few. But on that website, these sold for close to $700. So crazy. That's why I just knew, like, on eBay, I'm like, I just don't think I'll get quite that price. So I was really happy with $120 considering I paid just like $10 for these boots. I'm really glad I took the risk because it paid off. And these sold much more quickly than I thought they would. Unique is good. When it comes to eBay, unique is great. This is an Eskandar yellow cardigan. Has like a window pane type print. Super rare, super unique. It sold for $174. I love selling Eskandar. It always sells really fast. It sells for great money. Do not underprice these pieces. I know they look really blah and weird, but it sells great for me. So definitely pick it up if you find it. This is a Paul Shark. It's a men's sweater. It says on the tag, Paul Shark yachting sweater. So I picked this up at that same estate sale actually that I picked up those big furry boots. It sold really fast. I was really surprised. I wish I had like grabbed more of them. but I was unfamiliar with this brand, and so my loss. But it sold for $55 plus $6 shipping within a week. And so I will definitely be keeping my eyes peeled for men's sweaters like this in the future. I want to do like a thrifting challenge with you guys where I only go to the men's section and try to find as much as I can, because I think I need to expand my knowledge there a little bit better. So I'll let you guys know when that drops. I think I'm going to be doing that pretty soon. I think it'd be kind of fun. It'd be fun if I was able to just tackle a few sections of the thrift store and only focus on them, just so I could increase my knowledge base and so you guys could get a chuckle, because I don't know if I'd be very good at it. And last but not least, these are some men's Twisted X leather suede moccasin style boots. They have like these bright orange laces. I got these really cheap and they sold overnight for $45 plus $10 shipping. I actually got these at a yard sale, and then they were in that same bin where I hadn't listed stuff and I had like the Scentsy in there. I'm bummed out that I sat on these for so long because they sold great and really fast. So I will be keeping my eyes peeled for Twisted X in the future. Alright you guys, that just about does it for me. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. I have a lot of great videos coming up. I have a thrifting video. I've got a new updated shipping video for shipping in 2021 with eBay. They're going to be increasing prices. USPS is increasing prices, so that is coming soon. I have some thrifting challenge ideas. I have business growth ideas as well, so I'm so excited for this year. This is going to be our year, and I'm glad all of you are tagging along with me, so thank you so much. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for weekly content all about growing your reselling business from home. As always, take care you guys, and I will catch you next time.